Hey everybody, and welcome back to the shop. As you can see, I got the truck outside. We got the door mounted on it. And I didn't realize how wavy this door was inside the shop. You know, I didn't go back and do any body work on it. I just painted it. This door is wavy. It's got a dent here, it's wavy down through here. I believe this is the door I do a lot of body work in this area. This ain't too bad, but it's right in here was worst at it. But I'm not gonna worry with it. Got it lined up, got a good get. Closes good, it's flush. Got this tape on here to protect it when I was adjusting on it. I didn't get a video of adjusting it because my wife was here and she just don't go for that, so. Got the handle and all on it yesterday. Everything's in it except for the window. So today, my task is to get the fender mounted and the inner fender, and possibly put the window in. I ain't exactly sure yet, but didn't do too bad a job on the gray over here. It's only off by a 1/4 inch, maybe a 1/2 inch there. And if I decide to go back and touch up on the cab, which I like to do, all I got to do is mask off right here, shoot this gray, that'll cover up that little ugly ass blue, needs covering up anyway, and then I can just color sand this or wet sand it and just shoot that clear all up through here, and I'll just mask off the door. I ain't happy with that, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna kill myself to get this truck perfect, because it's not a show truck. So thought I'd bring y'all along a little bit today, and we'll get this fender and inner fender mounted and see how it goes. I got to find one bolt for the door hinge and we'll get started. So I forgot I had to wire this door back up, so I'm having a little bit of issues getting the end of this plug through this hole in the side, so I got this little hook tool. Hopefully that'll help grab it. Let me get that. You ever get the big plug go in the hole, you got it made. I'll show you when I'm adding the fish. So here's the problem. You got this wire right here. It goes to the light, interior light switch. Well, if you ever get this big plug right here into that hole, this one and this one will follow it. Not too hard, but getting that one in and getting past this other wire right here is what's fun. The hole is kind of up at an angle. It's hard to see what you're doing and grabbing it too. I think I got it though. So once it's through, you got this little plug that goes in this. It's got to go all the way up in there too. So you got to get it in there. That makes it even worse. Get that plug up in there, and then you can kind of pull it. Pull it and seat that plug. And then it's just a matter of, once you get that in there, it's no problem. It's no problem to seat that plug, it's just getting it in there. Now we got to get the rest of this in the door. Now we got the rivet. This end piece on here, this piece right here, that's got to be riveted Alright, so once again I'm going to attempt to put this window glass in. This time I went ahead and taped this up, so hopefully I won't scratch it this time if I can get the wheels out. I've got the door rewired. That was a pain. Where'd my battery last? That's as far up as this thing can go. So, first thing we'll do, attempt to get this one started right here. First thing we'll do is slide this one in. There she goes. Just had to free it up. Just pass this bar right there. Jesus. Well, I'm glad I had that on there, even though it probably did still scratched it a little bit. Just a little bit, but that ain't gonna, I'm gonna notice that. Well, there's one pain in the butt window on there. Now we're ready to go ahead and get our vent window in and the side track in and all that, get everything hooked up. And it's going to be a little later on the fender because I've got to get another rivet for this bottom right here. Apparently my hole got too big in the cab and the rivets won't stay in. So other than that, I got it riveted. And so yeah, just got to get that one rivet in. Now, apparently when I drilled the old rivets out, I opened the hole up a little bigger. So the rivets I got are too small in diameter. I need the little bigger ones. So I guess that's going to do it for today, and appreciate you watching. And stay tuned for more. A little bonus footage here at the end of the video, but I went ahead and temporarily put the fender up here. Just got it secured with a couple of bolts. See, on this side, the gray line wasn't too bad off. It's a little bit high on the fender, the door, and it's a little high on the door at the cab, but not as bad as the other side. So anyway, thought I'd give y'all a shot of this thing firing up as I go park it. Park for the night. Put the window in tomorrow, and we're going to be ready to move on to the other side. I get some gas.